Taking proper care of your vehicle is important so you can get the most out of your ride. Available on select Toyota models, Service Connect will allow you to easily monitor your vehicle's health so you can be confident knowing that your Toyota is running at its best. After you have downloaded and installed Toyota app on your compatible smartphone and enrolled for connected services, you can retrieve health reports and view alerts or applicable recalls and service campaigns for your vehicle. As long as your vehicle is in an area where there is reliable cellular service and your smartphone is located in an area with internet connection, you will be able to access these features. The Vehicle Health Report provides important information, including safety recalls, maintenance status, engine oil quantity, smart key battery status, and more. Using the Toyota app notification settings, you can elect to have a monthly report sent to your email or view it at any time in the app to ensure that you are always in sync with your vehicle. If a dashboard warning or malfunction indicator light comes on, your vehicle will send you a notification regarding the alert, including a brief description and the best action to take. In the app, you can view the notification and call your preferred servicing dealer to schedule an appointment. Vehicle alerts and maintenance alerts can also be sent to your preferred servicing dealer should you opt in for Service Connect communication. This allows your preferred servicing dealer to contact you when maintenance is required or a vehicle warning is received to help assist you with booking your vehicle in for a service appointment to ensure your Toyota is operating as intended. Thank you for watching this Know Your Toyota video.